Turned off. I don't know why that's turned off, but it has. We're trying to get out the side of the mountain here to get to the top of the track, because they cut the embankment away where we used to go. Now we've reached the sheer cliff face. So yeah, this could be fun. I'm going to need 2 hands for it though, and I've already got one at the moment. Oh, she's going for it. I'm going to have to put you in the bag. There's nothing else I can do really. Oh, that's one up. Let's see if I fail now. Oh, actually, I watched that thing, South African thing, where this geezer goes around getting hooks out of seals' mouths and shit, and he puts the camera in his mouth. Let's try something new for a laugh. Well, I've made it up here, which it was nice of her to help me, seeing as I am a senior citizen. And all we got to do now is just try and find a little bit of shade. So, wow, this is all changed a lot. The rain's really changed the shape of this. That's not working. There's up and down there. This goes around a bit here. I need a chainsaw now just to cut all that down. You can get into that bush there, love. No. And this, whoops, this bike right here, this is me going up and down. So I've parked in front of a bush here to get a good view of the racing, as you do. The sun's just gone in, so let's come out. What is that, 250 there, or 125? There we go. Top corner after the jump on the left there. That's a wicked tabletop they've added. that appears to be the end of that. I reckon with this heat, it's going to be beer time soon. Soon then. Next up, I have no idea, but they're all on the starting grid. And they're off. Oops, we got someone going right over the bank. Difficult to capture the actual footage with this tiny little viewfinder, but and the sun shining on it, but we are trying. And they're back on the start straight. Sip go! Sip go! Definitely going for it. KLX 150. Well, they all seem to be doing splendidly well, so we'll let them get on being splendid. I'm busy around the back here. I've spotted me a little canyon, which I reckon if I cut all that lot out through there like that, I can struggle up over here and cut that big chunk out there, and then I'm going to end up trying to drop off the back of that mountain back there. That should be fun, especially at the moment because the dirt is really wet and easily chewed up by my back wheel. Fun time tomorrow.